Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are back to talking about my Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie. As you guys know, I got this one a couple of weeks ago, so I just want to come back here and do like kind of first impressions, kind of what fits in here, and also mainly compare this to the time when I had unboxed this like last year on my channel. That piece was really not perfect, and I wanted to kind of, pinpoint out like the specific differences between that one and this one. I also do have old footage which I think would help to kind of see side by side, so I'll try and insert that old footage on here too, so you guys can really see it side by side. And like I said earlier, I'm also going to do kind of like what fits in here, how I carry it. I have a bunch of things over here which is kind of like what I usually carry, so I'll put it in here so you guys can see how it fits. So first and foremost, as you can see, it is in the monogram canvas, and here is a good close look at it. There we are. This is the front. Here is the metal button. It looks kind of fine. There's something like in the middle here, but yeah, there, but it's not a scratch or anything. I feel like it's just like something built into the metal, but otherwise that's how it is. I really like how it's a perfect alignment. If you can see, like it goes really nicely from this upper piece over here to the bottom one over here. This flower over here is perfectly aligned as well. Same thing on this side, and that's one of the things you want to see into this piece, like if you're looking to purchase this piece. Also, other thing you want to see is that the flap over here is perfectly straight. So there, if I do like that, you guys can see that flap is perfectly straight. It's not curled up at all. The older one that I had was curled up on this side, like this side and this side, and honestly it happens from people like trying to open it like this or like this. So I don't know, it's just something to kind of watch out for. And honestly, it really doesn't look good. If you like see it, you can tell immediately that the flaps are curled up, but so you definitely want to check on that. Here is the side. I think you can also see how straight this is, so it's very, very nice. If I bring this up closely, and if you want to pay attention to the sides here, see how the sides really curl up. There it is. See, when you bring it up close, the sides here, they really curl up, and it is really not supposed to be like that. The sides are not supposed to be curling up. They're supposed to be really straight. If I show you the side, you'll really see how the sides are like just curling up. And then here is the other side, so it's very similar. And then one of the other things that's really weird with this bag is there's a dent in the canvas right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna try a few different angles so you guys can see. But there is a dent right over here in the canvas, and it just looks very weird. And a lot of the times I assume that if there's a dent in the canvas, when you stuff it up, the dents come out. But for this bag, even if you have stuff inside the bag, the dent doesn't come out. It stays that way. And when you put your items in, these flaps, they curl up even more. So it makes the bag look really, really ugly. And I hate to use that word because I feel like, in my opinion, all bags are beautiful, and I love handbags, you guys know that. But this one is just one of those bags that looks really ugly stuffed up. And yeah, I think the main thing to see is whether the flaps are curled up from the corner. If you find a piece where the flaps are not curled up, then you have essentially found yourself a perfect piece, because I have personally seen so many pieces where the flaps are curled up, and I think majority of pieces are like that. But yeah, that's one of the things you want to definitely watch out for. And I also do see like a little mark over here. I don't know if you guys can tell if it picks up in the camera, but this, I think it didn't come with the bag. It's something that I did. So it's like my sunscreen. It's my sunscreen mark. So, I have sunscreen in the hands, and then I try to like
wipe off most of it before touching my bag, but sometimes not all of it goes away. So it does kind of leave a mark on here, and sometimes it leaves marks on the inside too. But one of the other things I also wanted to point out about this particular bag is ever since I got it, I have tried, I consciously put an effort into not opening it like this. So instead of opening it like this, I try to like put my hand in like this, and I don't know if you guys can see, but like I put my hand in here like that, and then I open it just so that the flaps, like the corners, don't really curl up. So that's another thing you want to keep in mind. Oh, as you open it, you might notice how there's like a little dent in the canvas here. Kind of hard to see, but maybe if I go like that, you will be able to see. But there is like a slight dent in the canvas here. And that is because when it is empty and when you try to close it, it kind of pushes onto the canvas over here. Because of that, the top portion here kind of flips outwards, if you guys know what I mean. So it's really not, I feel like it's not like a manufacturing defect. It just kind of happens over time as you really close the bag, like especially when it's empty, or if you have not filled it to the brim, it does tend to do that. But I'll show you guys a little bit later that that problem solves in itself once you kind of stuff up things and it's like filled up to the brim. Another thing I want to also quickly point out that there is like another white mark over here. I don't know if you guys can tell, maybe the camera doesn't pick up, but there is a white mark over here. There's few white marks up here, and they're all literally from my sunscreen, which really sucks, but it is what it is. I gotta protect my skin as well as my bags, right? So anyways, that's how it looks like on the inside. It has a little flip pocket at the back, not a flip pocket, like a slip pocket in the back, and then it does have two inserts just like that. I think you guys have seen the inserts before, but I'll quickly show you. So this one has 8 card slots as well as like a top portion over here, and this one is just like a, I don't know, coin pouch maybe. That's how it is on the inside. It's fairly nice. I have not really used either one of these. I kind of just use the bag just by itself, just like that. The bag also comes with a chain. I think you guys have seen it, but I'll just quickly show you so you guys can see how it looks like. Here's the chain. It is detachable, which is always a plus. Here's the bag on the inside, and I'll just quickly show you how I carry this bag. So usually what I do is I have this wallet, which goes from one bag to another. So I'll show you how it fits nicely in here. So here's that wallet, and as you can see, like, it fills up a lot of space. You know, there isn't much left to put in here, but that's okay because I don't carry much anyways. So if I was carrying like this wallet with this bag, then I'll show you how I put it. So then I would just put my lipstick on this side over here. I always need to have my Tylenol with me, so I will put that too. So I'll put that over here as well. And then I think you guys have seen 2 of these blue things many times. I always have this with me. So I tend to put this on the back pocket over here. And then that's it pretty much. Like, that's all I really carry. In this little space that I have, I usually like throw in like a hair tie or like a keys or something like that. And I always have my phone in my hand. And yeah, that's how I usually carry like my usual stuff. If I want to like go for quick grocery shopping or like go out to eat or whatever, then that's how I usually carry it. Now I also want to just quickly show you that, let's say if you don't want to carry this wallet and you have like a card holder, for example, such as this one. So that goes in really nicely as well. So in this case, I have a card holder in here, and then this is the key clay that I have. I usually have like hair ties and extra bobby pins and stuff like that in here. So I take that with me too. Whoops. So there is that. So you can see both of them fit really nicely. Nothing is sticking out or anything like that. And I still have like additional space over here if I want to put like keys or something like that. So that's how I have been really carrying it. If you want to know like specifically if there's anything specific that this bag carries, or if you have any other specific questions, definitely ask me in the comment box down below. But otherwise, I hope you check out the newest unboxing of this bag as well as the old unboxing, which kind of showed like not so perfect piece. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to try and insert some footage of the old unboxing in here so you guys can really tell the difference between a good condition bag versus not so good condition bag side by side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to show you over here. See, the bag is not really stuffed, but it is fairly full, but the flaps are really still not curling outwards, and which is what I really like. And if you see it straight just like this, it looks really nice too. It looks like in a good condition. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to this bag. I really do like it, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would very much appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.